Today we have an exciting unboxing video for you. We will be unveiling one of the fastest NVMe SSDs from a brand called Kingston. This is a model number KC3000 and we will also see its benchmarks. Hello and welcome to Gadget Fix YouTube channel, your go-to channel for unboxing, demos and reviews of various tech products as well as various gadgets. This SSD promises faster data speed as well as improved performance. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here it is, the sleek and compact NVMe SSD. This is from a brand called Kingston. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy casing which helps safety during transportation. The design is very minimalistic and elegant. Let's see what is inside. No user manual, nothing. Looks like, see how small is the packaging. It's very elegant in packaging. So you can see that. So actually this is a 2 terabyte drive. That is 2048 GB. You can see there. Okay. If you see the SSD, it has a low profile graphene aluminum heat shield. So it enables dissipation of heat from the SSD surface. It's a very intelligent design. NVMe SSDs typically use a PCI Express interface. This uses PCI 4.0 for communication with the rest of the computer system. This allows much faster data transfer rates than any other protocol. This Kingston NVMe SSD boasts impressive storage capacity, 2 TB, that is 2048 GB. This allows to store significant amount of data. It has a read-write speed of 7000 Mbps, which is blazing fast. This SSD also comes with PCI 4.0 interface, which provides faster data transfer rates and overall improved performance. These specifications makes it perfect for demanding tasks like gaming, video editing and data intensive applications. Okay, now come the installation part. Now let us talk about the installation. This NVMe SSD plugs directly into the M2 slot of your motherboard. It is important to note that not all motherboards support NVMe, so make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Okay, when it comes to benchmarking, let's see the benchmarks of the Kingston KC3000 here. You can see the sequential read-write speed and the random read as well as write speeds here. That is our unboxing and review of the Kingston KC3000. We are impressed with its speed and performance. The installation was also very easy and we had no issues with it. If you are looking for a high performance hard disk, then this NVMe drive is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.